Engine fuel systems. Question. During what period does the fuel pump bypass valve open and remain open? Answer. When the boost pump pressure is greater than fuel pump pressure. Question. Which of the following statements concerning a centrifugal type fuel boost pump located in a fuel supply tank is not true? Answer. The centrifugal type pump is classified as a positive displacement pump. Question. Where is the engine fuel shutoff valve usually located? Answer. Aft of the firewall. Question. Boost pumps in a fuel system. Answer. Provide a positive flow of fuel to the engine pump. Question. Refer to Figure 7. What is the purpose of the fuel transfer ejectors? Answer. To assist in the transfer of fuel from the main tank to the boost pump sump. Question. What is the purpose of an engine-driven fuel pump bypass valve? Answer. To prevent a damaged or inoperative pump from blocking the fuel flow of another pump in series with it. Question. Most large aircraft reciprocating engines are equipped with which of the following types of engine-driven fuel pumps? Answer. Rotary vane type fuel pump. Question. When an electric primer is used, fuel pressure is built up by the answer. Booster pump. Question. The fuel pump relief valve directs excess fuel to the answer. Inlet side of the fuel pump. Question. Which type of pump is commonly used as a fuel pump on reciprocating engines? Answer. Vane. Question. The purpose of the diaphragm in most vane type fuel pumps is to answer. Compensate fuel pressures to altitude changes. Question. The primary conditions that allows microorganisms to grow in the fuel and aircraft fuel tanks are answer. The presence of water. Question. It is desirable that fuel lines have a gentle slope upward or downward and not have sharp curves or sharp rises and or falls in order to answer. Prevent vapor lock. Question. The fuel systems of aircraft certificated in the standard classification must include which of the following? Answer. A positive means of shutting off the fuel to all engines. Question. Where is the main fuel strainer located in the aircraft fuel system? Answer. At the lowest point in the fuel system. Question. Where physical separation of the fuel lines from electrical wiring or conduit is impracticable, locate the fuel line. Answer. Below the wiring and clamp the line securely to the airframe structure. Question. What is a characteristic of a centrifugal type fuel boost pump? Answer. It separates air and vapor from the fuel. Question. The Federal Aviation Regulations require the fuel flow rate for gravity systems, main and reserve, to be, answer. 150% of the takeoff fuel consumption of the engine. Question. Fuel boost pumps are operated answer, to provide a positive flow of fuel to the engine. Question. A pilot reports that the fuel pressure fluctuates and exceeds the upper limits whenever the throttle is advanced. The most likely cause of the trouble is, answer, a sticking fuel pump relief valve. Question. A fuel strainer or filter must be located between the answer, tank outlet and the fuel metering device. Question. Fuel pump relief valves designed to compensate for atmospheric pressure variations are known as answer. Balance type relief valves. Question. Fuel lines are kept away from sources of heat, and sharp bends and steep rises are avoided to reduce the possibility of answer. Vapor lock. Question. Fuel crossfeed systems are used in aircraft to answer. Maintain aircraft stability. Question. If an engine equipped with a float-type carburetor backfires or misses when the throttle is advanced, a likely cause is that the answer. Accelerating pump is not operating properly. Question. A fuel pressure relief valve is required on answer. Engine-driven vane-type fuel pumps. Question. A rotary vane pump is best described as a answer. Positive displacement pump. Question. Fuel pressure produced by the engine-driven fuel pump is adjusted by the answer. Relief valve adjusting screw. Question. Kerosene is used as turbine engine fuel because answer. Kerosene has more heat energy per gallon and lubricates fuel system components. Question. What are the principal advantages of the duplex fuel nozzle used in many turbine engines? Answer. Provides better atomization and uniform flow pattern. Question. It is necessary to control acceleration and deceleration rates in turbine engines in order to answer. Prevent blowout or die out. Question. Which of the following turbine fuel filters has the greatest filtering action of any present-day filter type? Answer. Micron filter. Question. What is the purpose of the flow divider in a turbine engine duplex fuel nozzle? Answer. Creates the primary and secondary fuel supplies. Question. What causes the fuel divider valve to open in a turbine engine duplex fuel nozzle? Answer. Fuel pressure. Question. How often should float carburetors be overhauled? Answer. At engine overhaul. Question. What is the final authority for the details of carburetor overhaul? Answer. The manufacturer's recommendations. Question. Excessively rich or lean idle mixtures result in answer. incomplete combustion. Question: which statement is true regarding proper throttle rigging of an airplane? Answer: the throttle stop on the carburetor must be contacted before the stop in the cockpit. Question: what precaution should be taken when putting thread lubricant on a tapered pipe plug in a carburetor float bowl? Answer: engage the first thread of the plug. Then put a small amount of lubricant on the second thread and screw the plug in. Question: maximum power is normally considered to be developed in a reciprocating engine with a fuel-air mixture ratio of approximately. Answer: 12:1.